Good morning children, how are you? Yes, I hope you are fine. And this is the class 4 children worksheet 1. Worksheet 1 itself because it's there in the page number 14. Please open the page number 14 children please. And this is the worksheet 1. We have completed the first question. Okay, now we are going to complete the next question. Why is Harshad so excited about his hobby? Harshad is so fond of stamp collection. He was so excited about his hobby because it is a lot of fun. You have to write this answer children. Please write as it is. Harshad is so fond of stamp collection. He was so excited about his hobby because it is a lot of fun. Because the Harshad find it's a lot of fun for the stamp collection. So many have the habit of stamp collection and even the Harshad was in one of them. That is the reason he is fond of the stamp collection, and he wants to know about the more stamps, and regarding the history of the stamps also he wants to know. That is the reason he is fond of collection of stamps, as well as he has excited about his hobby. Okay, why do countries produce new stamps? The stamps produced by countries may far exceed their need postal, exceed their postal needs. Please don't write this need. Okay, so what happens whenever any country is producing the stamps, then what happens, there will be a postal needs or requirements, okay, to communicate from one place to another or one person to other. So when the stamp is there on the postcard or the telegram, so it can be communicate, like it can be transferred from one place to another. Yes, so if their postal requirements are over, then the countries produce new stamps. Okay, the stamps produced by countries may far exceed their postal needs. That is why countries produce new stamps. So children, please write the correct thing. The stamps produced by countries may far exceed their postal needs. That is why the countries produce more new stamps. Okay, next question, see children. What happens to a stamp that goes off circulation? So what happens to the stamp? Yes, it becomes more expensive, right? Once a stamp goes out of circulation, it becomes more expensive. This you can find it in this paragraph. You can find it is here, children. Like the countries all over here, the never over, and here it is more expensive. Let us find out, children. Yeah, here. Once a stamp goes off for circulation, it becomes more expensive. This is the answer 3. Okay, next one. Why is a stamp collection never over? So here, see the answer children. Sales of postage stamp are an important source of income for some countries and have designs that appeal to stamp collectors. So stamp collection never over. See children, what happened when anybody have the hobby of a stamp collection, then he will find more designs, as well as and stamps are also important for their economic growing of economy also. But that also it is very important. So sales of postage stamp are an important source of income for some countries. Okay, please write this only children. I will just keep here. You can pause the video and you can write children. Sales of postage stamp are an important source of income for some countries and have designs that appeal to stamp collectors. So stamp colors will be never over. Okay, even it has designs also, and even there is a requirement of economy also. So that is the reason you can find it good. Why the stamp collection will be never over? You know children, even stamp collection of hobby also be never over. Okay, So that's this you have to write in your worksheets. Please complete the worksheet, and please children, I want, see we have completed till 2 chapters. Please write this all and give me the submit the worksheet children. Okay children, take care children, bye.